Noda.
No problem when he will join.
Then for whom you are
It's
doing? For sir only, no, you
officially
can
time,
explain.
bro. He will see the recorded video. Don't worry.
Ah,
Should I start speaking or should I wait?
start. Wait, Vignesh, start record. Start Harshvardhan.
Share your
Harsha, start.
screen down.
Yeah, starting with the higher quality code, immediate reviews of all code
Excuse me,
written,
Harshvardhan. You can
multiple
present
perspectives.
module.
What?
Share the screen, bro. Share. Share.
Oh,
Present
one
the
moment.
PPT da.
Okay, okay. You hello, hello.
Hello, am I at?
Yes, yes, you
Hello.
are audible. Yes,
Yeah, you can start now.
yes, yes. Let's start. Moving towards the higher quality code, immediate reviews of all code written, multiple perspective on how code should work, people from different areas, UI, database, development, testing, working together, no incorrect assumption. Each person learn from other increased skills. Now moving towards the second topic, faster cycle time, less temptation, ability to get distracted on non-work things, less rework due to bad assumptions, fewer defects sleep through, so less rework for repair, less interruption for pair, more communication, exchange, trust, teamwork. People in pair gets to know each other better than people working solo. Better understanding of people's skills. Shared events is equals to common ground. Now coming towards the knowledge transfer, rotation of pair means a lot of combination. Lots of combination makes knowledge transfer exponential. No one is indecipible. Fewer assumption. Exchange learning. Each member of a pair has ongoing opportunities to learn from their partner. More fun, social interactions while still accomplishing work. Share events. Study shows high number of people trying pair programming prefers it. Why pair programming works? Pair pressure, pair negotiation, pair courage, pair review, pair debugging, pair learning, pair trust. Pair pressure. Each member doesn't want get a task done in a session while partner is available. Coming towards the next point, pair negotiation. Working together to get the best solution. Distribute cognition. Each pair member has own set of skills, abilities, outlook, shared goals of accomplishing tasks, suggested means of goals, brainstorming, building of ideas of others. Pair courage. Having a partner agree with a fix or a solution adds confidence to the solution. Two people expressing confusion are more confident. Go get the help they need. Thank you.
Peer review. Is the screen visible, sir?
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Yeah.
Peer review is a technique in which two programmers work together at one workstation. One will write the code and other will review the code as it is written. And two programmers switch their roles frequently. Pair debugging. Pair debugging is an effective debugging technique. When we explain our problem to someone else, we could easily point out the errors in the program. While discussing the problems in a pair, we can easily lead to a solution to the problem. Pair learning. As no two people have exact same level of knowledge in software development, so each can share their knowledge and clarify their doubts. Apprenticeship model, which means beginners learn by observing the works done by the expert. Pair trust. People in pair get to know each other better when compared to people working in solo, and this can improve communication and better understanding of people's skills. Some of the problems in pair learnings are unavailability of partners, scheduling, expert skills imbalance, concentration, disagreements in the discussion, overconfidence, rushing, and is not for everyone. Enabling pair programming. Accessible workspace, communication, standards, knowledge of people's specialties, pair rotation, group aspirals, and smaller groups. Accessible workspace accessible to both. So while working, display should be visible to both the people. And it will be convenient if it is visible by side, not one in front of the other, and available of keyboard or mouse to either person. Some of the expectation of communication is ask to drive, ask questions, and explain actions taken. Standards. Standard tools reduce learning curve time in pair. Coding standards assist in both members following the code being written and avoid disagreements on how to write something. Knowledge of people's specialties. To know who to pair with to achieve benefit in a given situation. If a task overlaps two areas, example UI and database, pair one person from each. Thank you.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Sharon.
Um, so I'll start with pair rotation. Can anyone see my screen?
Yeah, it is visible.
Pair rotation. No given pair of programmers is the right pair for every situation. Rotation enables knowledge transfer, group appraisal. Tasks are now completed by more than one person. Recognizing one person generally ignores contribution from other team members who paired for part or all of the task. Smaller groups. Large groups benefit from pairing but lose some of the trust and knowledge transfer effects. Challenges of large code base. How to ensure maintainable code, dry code, readable code, bug-free code. Average defect detection rate for various testing. Like for unit testing, it is 25%, function testing, it is 35%, integration testing, it is 45%. How can this be improved? By using code review. Code review is like a constructive review of a fellow developer's code, required sign off from another team member before a developer is permitted to check in changes or new code, in changes or new code. And analogy. Writing articles for a newspaper, what is effectiveness of like spell check or grammar check? Author editing own article, others editing others articles. Next is like mechanics of code reviews. Who original developer and reviewer, sometimes together in person, sometimes offline. What reviewer gives suggestions for development on a logical and or structural level to conform to previously agreed upon set of quality standards. Feedback leads to refactoring followed by a second code review. Eventually, reviewer approves code. When code author has finished a coherent system, change that is otherwise ready for check-in. Change shouldn't be too large or too small before committing the code to the repository or incorporating it into a new build. Why bother? Less than one person has seen every piece of code. Prospect of someone reviewing your code raises quality threshold, forces code authors to articulate their decisions. Hands-on learning experience for rookies without hurting code quality, pairing them up with experienced developers, team members involved in different parts of the system reduces redundancy, enhances overall understanding. Author and reviewer both accountable for committing code. Actual studies. Average defect detection rates. Like for unit testing, it's 25%. Function testing, it's 35%. Integration testing, it's 45%. Design and code inspections, it is 55% and 60%. Learn programs developed by the same group of people. First 5 without reviews, average 4.5 errors per 100 lines of code. Remaining 6 with reviews, average 0.82 errors per 100 lines of code. Errors reduced by less than 80%. So IBM Orbit project, 5 lakh lines and 11 levels of inspections delivered early, and 1% of the errors that would normally be expected. Code reviews in industry. Code reviews are a very common industry practice, made easier by advanced tools that integrate with configuration management systems, highlight changes that is different function, allow traversing back into history. Example, Eclipse SVN tools. Code review variations. Inspection. A more formalized code review with roles that are moderators, author, reviewers, scribe, etc. Several reviewers looking at the same piece of code, a specific checklist of kinds of flaws to look for, possibly focusing on flaws that have been seen previously, possibly focusing on high risk areas such as security. Specific expected outcomes are like, for example, report list of defects, walkthrough, information discussing of code between author and a single reviewer. Code reading, reviewers look at code by themselves, possibly with no actual meetings. So thank you. So now Vasudeva will continue with after this.
Hello, am I audible and visible? Oh, thank you. We know Scrum projects make progress in a series of sprints and typical duration lead sprint. What are sequential and versus overlapping development? In sequential, rather than doing all of one thing at a time, some teams do a little everything all the time. No, there is no change during a sprint. Plan sprint duration around how long you can commit to keeping the change out of the sprint. What are Scrum framework? Roles, product owners, Scrum masters, team. Ceremonies, sprint planning, sprint review, sprint retrospectives, and daily review. And artifacts, product backlog, sprint backlog, and rundown charts. Who are product owners? Define the features of the product, decide the release date and content, be responsible for the profitability of the product, prioritize features according to the market value, adjust the features and priority every iterations as needed, accept reject works results. And who is a Scrum Master? Scrum Master represents the management to the project, responsible for enacting Scrum values and practices, and he removes the impediments, ensures that the team is fully functional and productive, enable close cooperation across all roles and functions, shield the team from external interference. And the team. Typically, the team contains 5 to 9 people, cross-functional, programmers, testers, user experience designers, etc. Members should be full-time, maybe exceptions. Example, database administrator. Thank you. Now Vedant will continue.
What happened? Vedant started or not?
Sir, excuse me, sir. In our area, uh, current also not there, sir. It's full raining, sir. So we're not getting. Hello, sir. Hello.
So Vedant can connect now.
Yes, sir. We are nearby here only, sir. Maybe he's facing internet issue, sir. We don't have power also, sir. From morning, full raining, sir. Here. His mic is not working, sir. He is.
Mic not working.
Yes, sir.
So let him talk through phone only. Na? Somebody host the PPT. Let him talk through phone only.
Sir, his phone, mobile microphone is not working, sir. He didn't attend in laptop,
Mobile
sir.
also not working.
No, sir.
Laptop. Yeah, let him start laptop. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm also not hearing most of them what you are saying, sir, because no network issues. After Vedant, someone can continue. Vignesh, continue from your slide.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, visible.
So who is the next person?
Me only, sir. Vignesh will share the screen.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, no, yeah.
Release plan. Uh, how often to release? Here is the to explain how is the release plan. Release as often as possible. It will allow for early feedback from users and stakeholders. First release should be your minimum viable product, and 5 levels of agile planning. First, a daily plan, next iteration plan, next release plan, next product roadmap, next product vision. And then release plan shows days of release and epics, high level features to be realized in the specific release. Here is the table with release one day, release one for date, sprints, status, description. Uh, Next, we'll go and start with the sprint planning. Sprint planning. A tester must know what model of cadence used. In sprint planning, as a tester, he or she says what should be picked from product backlog from this sprint to bring value to customer and to create high performance. As a tester, he or she says how many hours should have to complete testing for each of selected user stories. As a tester involves into the prioritizing process. Next to that, here is the flowchart of a sprint planning. Next, estimate effort. Estimate techniques. Heuristic, judgment based, parametric, calculation based. Comparison to similar systems, function points, expert judgment, use case points, activity based, user story points, task based, 3 point estimate. As a result, testers are uh, responding activities that they estimated. - 50/90 estimate. The high estimate is the value The high estimate is the value at which we have a 90% chance of completing the work in less time. This is the table, and next to that, it is the graph based on that. With ID, a table is with 50/90 estimate, provided with columns ID, project type, most likely, worst case, variance, to in total. 50 by 90 estimation. Worst case. What is worst case? Number of hours in the worst case scenario. Most likely number of hours in the most case scenario. Total hours is equals to most likely. Task variance equals to worst case minus most likely. Deviation equals to square root no, square root sum of wi minus ai power 2. 3-point estimate. Three points estimate, also known PERT. Opt indicates number of hours in the best case scenario. PES indicates number of hours in the worst case scenario. Most likely indicates number of hours in most likely scenario. PERT equals to opt plus 4 into most likely plus PES divided by 6. Variance is equals to PES minus opt divided by 6. User story points. User story points, USP. User points are the unit of measure for expressing the overall size of a user story, feature, or other piece of work. The raw values assigned are unimportant. Image story with two USPs will 2 times bigger than one USP. Two estimate scales are velocity is a measure of team's rate of progress, ideal time. If you find that a particular work unit is twice the size we thought, the estimate remains the same, but rate of progress through it will be the slowest duration of the effort from the estimation duration. Daily Scrum. In daily Scrum, as a tester, he or she joins all daily meeting to speak up. In that, what was tested and did yesterday progress, what will test and to do today. Any in testing progress. As a tester, he or she can bring any backlog item that cannot be completed in current sprint and put to next sprint. Example, I don't have enough time to execute test for item. It will be tested in next sprint. Daily work. In daily work, as a tester, he or she is responsible for develop automation scripts for automation testing. As a tester, he or she schedules automation testing with continuous integration system. As a tester, he or she reviews and reports test results to stakeholders via CA system or by himself or herself, and also executes non-functional testing with approved user stories. Some organizations, product owners does not have enough money uh, to do acceptance testing each sprint. Tester is hired for this case. Continuous integration. In Scrum, software is integrated daily, build and test each day. Therefore, CI system is deployed the most of agile project. A CI system and test components can be identified as below. Hudson or cruise control, the CI framework. JUnit for Java or NUnit.NET unit test coverage. Cobertura Java or N coverage testing, and for Java NAND.NET, automation build, SVN version control. In daily work, tester will responsible for develop automation scripts, integrate testing automation, testing tools, scripts with CA for regression test and UAT. As a part of as a part of duty, tester is planning role, a playing role, supporter in helping developers create unit tests effectively and efficient. Thank you.
So except Vedant, everybody completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I say now? I'm ready.
Vedant, continue now, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I start from the Scrum framework. When it comes to Scrum framework, there are three types are there: roles, ceremonies, and artifacts. In roles, there is product owner, Scrum master, and team. And in ceremonies, sprint planning, sprint review, sprint retrospective, daily Scrum meeting. And in artifacts, product backlog, sprint backlog, and burn down art charts. So here is the graph. Here is a chart. So in it covers sprint planning, sprint pro- prioritization, and sprint planning. And in sprint prioritization, analyze and evaluate the product backlog, select sprint goal, and in sprint planning, decide how to achieve the sprint goal, create sprint backlog from product backlog items, estimate sprint backlog in hours. So it specifies team capacity, product backlog, business conditions, current product, technology, sprint goal, sprint backlog. Now, when it comes to sprint planning, sir, team selects items from the product backlog they can commit to competing. So sprint backlog is created, tasks are identified, and each is estimated in 1 to 16 hours. Collaboratively, not done alone by the Scrum Master, high level design is considered. As the vacation planner, so it is given in example as a vacation planner. I want to see the photos of hotel. Code of the middle tier 8 hours, code of the user interface 8, write the task figures 4, code 4 classes 6, update performance test 4. The daily scrum the parameters for daily scrum are daily 15 minutes stand up, not for problem solving, whole world is invited, only team members, scrum master, product owner can talk. It helps avoid other unnecessary meetings. Everyone answer three questions. What did you do yesterday? What will you do today? Is anything in your way? These are not the status of the Scrum Master. They are commitments in front of peers. When it comes to sprint review, team presents what is accomplished during the sprint, typically tasks from the demo of new features for underlying the architecture, informal 2 hours prep time rule. There are no slides. Whole team participate and invites the world. When it comes to team retrospective, periodically look at what is and what is not working. Typically 15 to 30 minutes, and it is done after every sprint. Whole teams participates. For example, like Scrum Master, Product Owner, team, possibility consumers, and others. Start, stop, and continue. This is the headline. Whole team gathers and discuss what they like to start doing, stop doing, and continue doing. So when it comes to Scrum framework, sir, there are artifacts like discussed in above: product backlog, sprint backlog, burn down charts. as a product backlog, the requirements, there are some requirements, a list of all desired work on the project. I ideally expressed such that each item has value to users or customers of the product. Uh, prioritized, uh, prioritized by the product owner and reprioritized by the start of each sprint. So it is given in the diagram also. So this was my presentation, sir. I'm done.
We'll close the session. Everybody done now. So, Nikhil, you record the recorded video, upload to the YouTube and share the link in the.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I didn't conduct the meeting, sir. One of my friends, Vignesh, he conducted, sir. But you don't have the recording option. What he did, screen recording he did, sir.
So the video you upload in the YouTube, then you share the
Link.
link in the classroom. Okay.
Okay, sir. We should submit in that webinar, sir. Under webinar.
No. Any YouTube is okay. Just upload to YouTube and then share the link in the classroom.
That only, sir.